Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax return Namibia, updated. First, gather all income documents and deductible receipts, then sign into the NTA portal with your tax ID, verify personal details, and select the correct return form. Accurately enter employment income, investment interest, and allowable deductions, double-check calculations, and upload supporting documents. Finally, review the summary, submit electronically, and save the confirmation for your records. In this video, I will explain how to file income tax return Namibia, updated. When completing the return form, enter gross income figures, report taxable benefits, and include investment yields. Itemize deductible expenses like approved retirement contributions and medical costs with corresponding receipts. Use the portal calculators for tax payable estimates and check for tax credits or rebates. Ensure all numeric fields match your documents. Then preview the completed return to avoid errors before submission. In this video, I will explain how to file income tax return Namibia, updated. Quick recommendation. On another note, Bento Box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers that keep receipts, snacks, or lunch mess-free when you are balancing tax paperwork. They save time and reduce stress during long filing sessions. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to file income tax return Namibia, updated. After reviewing your entered details, submit the return electronically through the portal and obtain the confirmation number. If tax is due, select an approved payment option, pay the amount shown, and save your payment receipt. If you expect a refund, verify your bank details exactly as required. Finally, set a reminder for future filings and retain all supporting documents for potential audits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.